boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's 5-time best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Scoop, we talk about your investments, my friends. I have some information I want to kick to you today. It's only going to take a couple minutes here, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I put it in black and white for you. I'm an instructor, my friends. You can become one of my private students if you like, my friends. Just email me and I'll give you the information, my friends. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audio book, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. Had somebody, who was that said, one of the guys, you're not buying it. I haven't bought a book in 20 years. Listen to the audio book then. If you don't, just go to audible.com, look up Mickey D, D-E-E, all that stuff. I'll have some links for you at the bottom here. Also, guys, you know the store is open. You make sure you get your gear, your baby knockout. Excuse me there. Make sure you get your baby knockout gear, my friends, so you can knock them out. Gold, silver on the gloves and stuff, cryptos, uranium on the gloves. We do it, man. We're going to knock those places out because we're in early, my friends. Midweek, hump day is over, midweek here. I don't know if you guys saw the debate last night, America, big time debate. I know I go to 25 different countries, my friends. US, India, Canada, Algeria, Egypt leading the way, my friends. I want to thank you very, very much, guys. And I know there are different times, different time zones, different hours. I'm trying to get this thing straight. Trying to get a little music in there. Trying to get it, like a little professional show. I know I give you the information. I've made a whole lot of money, especially if you guys make $200,000, $300,000. I love you, man. It's great that we can give you that type of information. Been doing it for a long time, my friends. You should be getting broken off. We're going to talk about cryptos here in a second, my friends. But a lot of our areas are looking for, like gold and silver, and they're looking to stabilize. And nothing's going to stabilize. It's going to be up and down, up and down. We're going to have a lot of volatility because we got the selection thing coming up. There was a debate, just last night, the vice presidential debate. Six over here, half dozen, what have you. It was really good to see Senator Harris there and the vice president do their thing, for entertainment purposes. A lot of people probably enjoyed that. Let's talk about our cryptos here, my friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Like a lot of you guys comment. Some of the comments I'm not getting, I'll just tell you that up front, because I believe that there's been a concerted effort on YouTube to shelter some of the information providers from a lot of craziness and nonsense and threats and all that kind of stuff. So it is what it is, my man. I've seen stuff pops up there, and then I say, well, why wasn't that approved? And they didn't really say anything. There's nothing you can say that'll harm me. I've heard it all, my friends. This is not my first rodeo. You guys know that. So let's talk about the cryptos for a second, my friends. Our cryptos, they're on their, especially high blockchain right now and Riot Technologies. They're both on their 200-day moving averages right now. Those two are kind of there. Marathon Patent Group is kind of there, a 200-day moving average or so. But the other HUT 8 is below its 200 moving average. HUT 8 has been a underperformer, my friends. So is, for that matter, so is Hive, because we put, and thank you, Izzy, for keeping the CEO, one of our favorite CEOs there, Hive Blockchain, Mr. Holmes, you keeping him straight. Ethereum, $150 to produce. It's over 300. We should be making some money, especially if Ethereum goes way up. The company's going to do very, very well. And they do a lot of Ethereum, so that gives us the Ethereum and the Bitcoin exposure. Remember, the beginning of the year, we're in, guys, under 10 cents. Congratulations, all of you guys that are still holding right now, as it went up to 45 cents USD. A lot of people sold out, but there are a lot of us that are still holding, and we expect a lot more from Hive Blockchain, my friends. Let me tell you a little story that came out. We're not the only ones here that are on track here. There's a report out this Monday, right? I believe it's from CoinDesk, right? This report, Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab funds have been loading up on crypto stocks. Now, you guys know, and I know from our research, there's not a lot of crypto stocks out there, my friends, right now. A lot of quality stocks. Like I mentioned them. Those quality stocks are the ones that are out there right now, but they've been loading up. Charles Schwab has begun purchasing shares of Riot Blockchain. Of course, Vanguard and Fidelity, they were already in the party. They already had shares. According to these SEC filings, right? Schwab has almost 23,000 shares of Riot. Now that's for a big gun like Schwab. That's not really. That's 23K. That's for a guy like me. That's a lot of shares. 23,000. You know, on one particular. But they also they have 23,000 shares of Riot. Now you take the two Vanguard funds combined, they've got 954,000 shares of Riot. Now, Fidelity International is another. Fidelity International purchased almost 10.5 million shares of Riot blockchain at $1.80. That's just a couple months back. They've been accumulating early. They're in at $1.80. They also purchased 17 million shares of the BC Group, which at $8.30 USD. Now, they don't trade. They're not listed on the U.S. exchanges, as far as I know, and our research, we didn't really find anything. But Fidelity and Vanguard, those two, Fidelity and Vanguard, they own Riot, Hive Blockchain, and Hut 8. So right now, there's not a lot of institutional interest in the two that have flashed pretty much soft buys right now. I'm talking about the Marathon Patent Group and also Riot Blockchain Technologies. Riot has flashed just today, just yesterday. We've got a soft buy accumulation there on Riot blockchain, and I think it closed out like $2.67 or so. So that is a good thing right there with Riot blockchain, which is a good thing, my friends. A good thing. So we are on the right track if you believe Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab coming behind us and doing what they're doing. They're keying in and purchasing the same stocks that we are purchasing, that we've been in this little mini book here, Investing and Understanding Bitcoin Currency Stocks to Buy Now. No wallet, no problem. You know, we don't do the wallet thing, and we go straight with the stocks, which is cool. It's a good little strategy, my friends. It's not bad. And also with the, we have the baby knockouts, investing gold and silver without being cheated. Stocks in here, our number one stock. Remember, we were in. The book was published before Warren Buffett, and that was our number one stock. So something's going on, my friends. Quick note here. Quick note on the cannabis sector. In the debate between the vice president and the senator tonight, Senator Harris, and the debate that she mentioned, this is a Biden-Harris ticket. Upon winning, she said that they were going to do some legalese there with cannabis. That's going to give cannabis a big boost up. Make money online with cannabis stocks. We have a strategy in there, and we talk about these stocks because you had bumps today. You had yesterday, today, whatever time it is for you here, my friends. IPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. Remember, we rode that up as a teenager up to $140 a share, and as it was coming down, I'm sure people sold out. A lot of people did. I was one of them, and I instructed everyone else too, my friends. And we said it would go down to $65, $66 or so, and then we'd be looking to get back in. Congratulations to you that got back in, because up to 130, looks like we're going to eclipse that 139, 140, and we're going to be off to the races again with IIPR. But it may take a hit here because they're talking legislation. And it was mentioned. She said that we're going to, I don't know the exact words, I didn't quite catch it, but we're going to legalize something when it comes to cannabis. We're going to legalize some things. So, if it's legalized, blue skies for a lot of uh, the quality stocks. Today you had Grow Generation was up like 10%. You had Canopy like up almost 10%. You had uh, one of our favorites, Planet 13, was up big today. So you had that, and they're mixing in these little these psychedelic drugs. You guys into that psychedelic stuff in there? It was catching on. People were asking me a little while back about the psychedelics and stuff, but the stocks are up a little bit. Uh, wow, they'll stabilize here probably in a couple days or so, but they were up big. Maybe some sort of I do expect a lot of volatility, my friends, the next 27, 28 days or 26 days or whatever till this election is over with. There's going to be a lot of up and down, but we are set up right now. Stay the course, my friends. We are right on time right now. Marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. My friends, there's been a lot of talk. I did the story. You saw, broke the story about President and his executive order, which is a national emergency for the mining industry. So expect the mining industry to get some help. Expect the name of uranium to be out there, and expect the rare earths to be out there. There'll be some names popped here and there, but remember, we already have our watch list, and we're already set up for that just in case something happens and there's a check written for something and they get some sort of funding, then we kind of know what's going on, my friends. But hey, I'm not going to be long. I know you have a great trading day today. Once again, I thank those 25 countries that we're in right now, my friends. I love you all. I can't speak your language, but you can understand me and you understand what's going on here, especially with our crypto, with our Bitcoin, and with our Ethereum, what's going on. And as we go with those particular stuff, this thing is going to jump off, my friends. It's going to jump off. You just want to be in position right now. And we are in position with those 4 plays. Let me go over them again, my friends. Little Hut 8 has been a laggard. It's been lagging behind right now. So has Hive Blockchain. And in fact, my indicators say those 2 right now are sells, my friends. That's just that's just an little indicator saying sell. You can do what you want to do. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold because I'm not a stockbroker, my friend, or anything like that. But Marathon Patent and a Riot blockchain are saying, hey, it's okay to accumulate. There's a soft buy with those right now. So I will be looking to add to Riot, and I'll be adding to Marathon Patent Group here. As both Marathon was like about $5 and something. It's what, about $1.90 or so USD, and Hive Blockchain is what 260, so 67 or so. I may be looking to add to that, especially if we get a boost here in the next couple of weeks with the two big ones, Ethereum and Bitcoin. If we get that, if we get what we think we're going to get, then we're going to be all right. Take care of you and your family, my friends. If I don't talk to you till this weekend, you have a great middle of the week. Love you. God bless you. If you do like, call your daughter, call your sons, make sure everything is fine. Get in touch with the grandkids. Make sure everything is fine, my friends. And take care of yourself. Like I said, God bless you. Did I tell you about Lawrence Strip? His new book out, Silver Basics for New Investors. Nice little book out. Nice little read. That's going on right now. Keep an eye on those stocks, my friends. The uranium sector, we're just getting a little boost right now. No contracting, my friends. No nothing's going out. No utilities. Nothing's really happening right now. But there are little signs, just very little signs, that something is about to happen. We just have to be real patient with it. What's going on? Who was that? The godmother? What Golden Minerals? What happened to that today? At one point in time, it was up almost 20%. What's going on with that stock? I don't know. But love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends.